AC repair in Wilton Manors, or any air conditioning service for that matter, has never been easier. WeatherShield Air Conditioning provides the highest quality air conditioner and heating services available in the Wilton Manors area. Whether it's AC repair, service, air conditioning installations, replacements, HVAC maintenance, tune-ups, WeatherShield's licensed and certified HVAC technicians are experts in everything air conditioning. WeatherShield Air Conditioning is a factory-authorized Diamond Contractor for Mitsubishi Air Conditioning and specializes in Mitsubishi Ductless AC systems, mini-split systems, and room air conditioners where space is limited. WeatherShield's earth-friendly green AC systems only use ozone-friendly and Energy Star-rated high-efficiency AC equipment that is economical, comfortable, reliable, and guaranteed to save you money on utility bills. Wilton Manor residents rely on WeatherShield for fast, affordable, and professional air conditioning service to keep them comfortable year-round. With WeatherShield's commitment to same-day record-breaking service, Wilton Manors is not worried about who to call. If you're in Wilton Manors and you need AC service from a top air conditioning contractor, then call Mitsubishi Diamond Contractor WeatherShield Air Conditioning. WeatherShield Air Conditioning, superior service, promptly delivered at a reasonable price. Are you a new customer? You get a discount. Call for details now. Give them a call now at 954-985-9900 or visit them at www.i-lovemyac.com.